Hello, and welcome to my channel. I'm Nash, and today we're going to sit down and we are going to talk about the new Kat Von D Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick. I was lucky enough to receive this in an influencer contest or whatever they are called. So I did receive this for free thanks to influencers, so thank you so much. I'm so excited to try this out. I've tried a lot of Kat Von D products, including their liquid lipsticks, but I've never actually tried a lipstick. So this product will launch at Sephora on January 26th, so that's this Friday, that's tomorrow. This video will be going up Thursday the 25th. It launches Friday the 26th. So I'm very excited. I haven't even opened this yet, so I don't know what shade I got or anything like that, what the packaging looks like, really nothing. So I'm so excited to dig in. We're gonna see what the shade looks like, how it applies, what kind of formula it has, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of a wear test as well to see how it kind of holds up over the day. If you're curious to see what the Kat Von D Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick looks like, then make sure you just keep on watching. So let's just go ahead and crack into this bad boy. I have my scissors here, and I'm just going to open her up. Packaging, first of all, so cute. This is the very first box I received from influencer, so I'm so excited. It came to my door this morning. This lip that I have on currently is the Galactic Matte Lip Paint. It's in the shade Posh, and it's such a beautiful nude. I just did my Box to Charm review for the month. That'll be up next Tuesday. Make sure you keep an eye out for that as well. So this beautiful yellow packaging, absolutely gorgeous. And then beautiful picture of good old Kat Von D there with a bunch of kisses all over her face. That's such a cute picture. It does come with a little pamphlet here, kind of probably explaining the product, what it does, what it claims to do. So it says, kiss me all over. Alright, so it says, introducing Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick, the first vegan high pigment matte lipstick with crazy comfortable long wear. And it says, the biggest lineup yet, 40 plus shades, including everlasting best sellers now in lipstick form. So I think a lot of her like liquid lips were transferred over to a lipstick version. So I heard like Lolita was in here and things like that. So if you, let's say, really like the Lolita shade or a different shade but prefer a cream lipstick instead of a liquid lipstick, this will be for you. Definitely something to look into. Yeah, so it says US, Sephora, US and Canada, it launches the 26th. Sephora.com, it actually launched January 19th. So it is already out on Sephora.com if you want to go take a look at that. KatVonD.com, it launched January 12th. International, so the rest of the world besides US and Canada, it launches in February sometime. And Debenhams, UK and Ireland, it also launches in February sometime. So keep your eye out for that, but you can always go to KatVonD.com and pick it up there, I believe. Love this yellow, like that's a cute box. All right, so this is what the packaging looks like here. Yeah, and as you can see, like as the light moves, it's just shiny. And I got the shade Misfit. It has the studded packaging just like the old one does, and it's on the whole tube. And then of course has the shade name just at the very bottom there. And then at the top it has the Kat Von D logo up there. So let's go ahead. Yeah, that's nice. And of course you have the signature Kat Von D logo right on the lipstick as well. This is such a pretty shade. Let's go ahead and swatch it. That's gorgeous. So what I'm going to do is I am going to remove the lipstick that I have on my lips right now, of course, because we need to test this one out. And this is a liquid lipstick I have on right now, of course. It's going to be a bit of a pain to remove. Alright, so let's go ahead. I'm going to zoom you guys in and we are going to start applying this lipstick on my lips. So right off the bat, that is so pigmented. Now with such a dark shade like this, I really kind of wish, and this is just me being a little extra, but with the lipstick I like to go in with a lip liner first that matches the lipstick, so I kind of wish they would have sent like a lip liner with the package that matched the lipstick. It's fine if it's just like a nude color, but with something dark like this, would have been nice to have. And I could go in, of course, with my own lip liner, but I just want to see like what this looks like by itself. There's one thing with lipsticks compared to liquid lipsticks. If you don't have a liner, it's very hard to get a precise line. So what I'm gonna think of after I'm done applying it, I'm probably just gonna go back in with concealer just to round the edges, just to clean everything up. But for just a normal lipstick and not a liquid lipstick, this went on pretty flawlessly. Like, of course the lines aren't perfect because it is a lipstick. Like I said, it's harder to work with. But other than that, like, it applied really nice. This is what it looks like before I go in with any concealer or anything. What I'm gonna do is quickly, like I said, I'm just gonna grab my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just gonna go and clean up the edges. This is a really pretty shade though. It's like a burnt brick red. Really pretty, with a little bit even like an orange tinge to it. All right, so this is what the lip looks like now that I kind of carved it out just a little bit, just to try and stop any bleeding that may occur, things like that. Okay, let's go ahead and zoom you guys back out here. So this is what the lip product looks like zoomed out with my full face of makeup on. I love the color, like, don't get me wrong, this color is so good. It's so nice. It has like a orangey, reddish, bricky look to it, and I love it. I really do. The only thing I have to say is with these types of dark lipsticks like this, I really prefer them in a liquid form, just because my camera's about to die, so I need to talk fast. But just because it's easier not only to apply, but when I'm eating something, I don't want it to get all over my face. Lipsticks do that. It is what it is. Some people love the formulas of lipsticks. I like nude formulas of lipsticks, but these colors are a little bit iffy. We'll see if they stay in place like they claim to. I'm gonna take you with me. I'm gonna eat some lunch here right away and we'll see how it holds up through that. Otherwise, I love it. This formula is a matte cream formula for sure. Like, it goes on matte, but it's easy to apply. It's not one of those mattes that you have the lipstick and you're like tugging and tugging and tugging trying to get it across your lips. It's not like that. It glides easily and just has full pigment opacity. Plus it's vegan, so who doesn't like that? I mean, I love vegan products. I'm not a vegan, but I support you guys, I really do. We'll see how it wears throughout the day. Otherwise, I guess we'll see you guys in just a little bit. Alright you guys, so I have changed. I put a sweater on. It's currently 1:09. I realized I didn't let you guys know the check-in time before, but I finished filming around 12 noon. So it's just been on for about an hour and I just ate lunch, so I wanted to quickly come back and do a check-in. As you can see, this is why I don't like lipsticks. I had a wrap for lunch, a roast beef wrap. So it wasn't greasy, so like the lips look fine. Like, there's still lots of color on the lips, but when you bite into something like a sandwich or a wrap or anything with lipstick, doesn't matter what kind of lipstick, doesn't matter whose brand of lipstick, but it does this. This is why I prefer liquid lips over lipsticks, but that's just personal preference. That's no fault in the lipstick itself because they all do that. It's just the way of life. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a wipe and just try and touch this up a little bit. Especially with the dark color, like even when you wipe it away, you almost get like that staining underneath on the chin. That has nothing to do with Kat Von D's lipstick. This is all lipsticks. They all do this to me. So I mean, like, if this happens to you and you're like out and about and you don't have your makeup brushes, your foundation, things like that to help cover this back up, I mean, you're kind of in a tiffy, right? But right now, I don't think I'm gonna reapply. I wanna see how the actual color lasts throughout the day without reapplying to see where it's at in a few hours. But I mean, like I said, like after I ate, like there's still lots of color there, so I'm not mad about that. One thing I do really like about lipsticks is when they fade, they don't fade weird. I'm out of breath from running up the stairs. Whew. With a liquid lipstick, sometimes you get that weird like bum hole line just in the inner lip. With lipsticks, you really don't tend to get that, like the odd time with some lipsticks maybe, but a lot of the time they fade really nicely. They kind of just like gradually, almost in like a nice ombre way, they fade out. So we'll see how this lasts. I did want to mention as well that price-wise on Sephora.ca, so in Canada, this lipstick retails for $23. In the States, that would probably mean it retails around $18 to $20 probably, US dollars. So a really good price. It's not too expensive. Definitely something that you could save up for if you wanted to buy something like this. Of course, it's not drugstore prices where you're looking at like $5, $6. But for something in Sephora, I feel like that's a reasonable price, definitely. Like I said, it is 1:15 right now. we will see in a couple hours. I will come back, check in, see how everything's holding up, and go from there. So we will see you guys just in a few hours. All right, you guys, so the time is currently 4:07 in the afternoon. So this has been on for about 4 hours now. And you guys, it still looks really good. Like the pigmentation is still completely there. There's no weird fading or bum marks on my lips. You guys, it looks really good, honestly. My husband's about to get home and then we're gonna work out, so I'm about to take my makeup off in about half an hour or so. So this will be my last check-in. The fact that a lipstick lasted 4 hours and still looks like this, I think it's gonna hold up strong for another few hours, definitely. So would I recommend this lipstick? 100%. I really liked it, and for the price too. I mean, such a good price. I'm definitely gonna wear it some more and play around with some different eye looks and stuff with this lipstick. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I do post a new video every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel, so you don't wanna miss out on that. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in my next video. Bye guys.